In this video, you'll learn how to install and start using the Apollo.io Chrome extension. To get started, open the browser menu and choose the Chrome Web Store to access available extensions. Next, type apollo.io in the search bar and select the apollo.io extension from the results. Then, click Add to Chrome and confirm by selecting Add Extension to begin installation. After installation, open Notifications and use the extension's toggle to adjust its settings as needed. Now, click the Apollo extension. Here you'll see options such as Gmail, Google Calendar, CRM, LinkedIn, and Apollo Everywhere. Simply select the service you want to connect with Apollo and follow the prompts to complete the integration. To get started, try the extension on LinkedIn. Once you're on the LinkedIn page, you'll see the Welcome to Apollo panel on the right. Below it, you'll find the Sign Up for Free option. If you don't already have an Apollo account, click Sign Up for Free to create one. If you already have an account, simply click Login, enter your email address and password, and sign in. Once you're logged in, you can start using Apollo's features while browsing LinkedIn. You've successfully installed and set up the Apollo.io Chrome extension.